Good morning all of you. Today we will see the chapter 1 matrices from the paper 6 algebra 1. First we will see some basic definitions of matrices. First see the definition of matrix. A system of mn numbers, real or complex, arranged in the form of an ordered set of m rows, each row consisting of an ordered set of n numbers, is called a matrix of order m by n, and it is written as m cross n matrix. Now we will see one example of matrix. A is equal to, first row is consisting the numbers 2, -3, -3i, -4. The second row consisting the numbers 5, 2 plus 3i, -7. Third row consists the numbers 1 plus i, -2, -2i and 18. Here are 3 rows and 3 columns, and therefore this is 3 by 3 matrix. Now we will see the definition of triangular matrix. A square matrix means number of rows should be equal to number of columns, is said to be triangular matrix if the elements above or below the principal diagonal are 0. Consider this matrix A. The principal diagonal is this, which contains the numbers 2, 1 minus I and -7, and you can see that the numbers which are above the principal diagonal and below the principal diagonal are 0, and therefore A is a triangular matrix. Now we will see what is the definition of upper triangular matrix. The definition is a square matrix A equal to Aij is called an upper triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. I always represents number of row, j always represents number of column. Now we will consider one element here, -3. This -3 is in the first row and second column. Therefore here -3 is A12 element. A12 element means I is less than j. Therefore there will not be any condition for this element. Now consider A12 element, which is 0 here, because this is A21 element, because this is in the second row and first column. A21 is 0, that is 2 is greater than 1, that is I is greater than j, and therefore this number will be 0. Similarly, this is A31 number, that is also should be 0 because 3 greater than 1. This is 32, that is A32 element. In A32 also 3 is greater than 2, and therefore this number should be also 0, and this is the example of upper triangular matrix. Now we will see what is the definition of lower triangular matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is called lower triangular matrix if Aij is equal to 0 for I less than j. Now I is number of row, j is number of column. Now consider one element which is present in the first row and second column. Now first row and second column means this is A12 element. Now A12 element, that is I1 is less than 2, therefore this number should be 0. Here A13, therefore 1 is less than 3, therefore this number will be 0. This 0 belongs to 2, 3, that is A23 element, that should be 0 because 2 is less than 3, and this is the example of lower triangular matrix. Now these elements will not be 0 because for these numbers there is not I is less than j, and therefore they may be any numbers. Now we will see the definition of symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to Aji for all I and j. Aij is equal to Aj means if I is 1 and j is 2, then A12 it should be equal to A21. Now see the example of symmetric matrix. Now A12 element is minus 2 because this is in the first row, second column. Now if A12 is minus 2, A21 should be minus 2. If A13 is 3, then A31 should be 3. And therefore this is the example of symmetric matrix. Now we will see the definition of skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A equal to Aij is called the skew symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to minus Aji. Means if A12 is 2, then A21 will be minus 2. Now we will see the one example of skew symmetric matrix. Now suppose this is the number in first row and second column, that is this is A12 element. A12 element is 2 plus 3i. According to our condition, A12 it should be equal to minus A21. Therefore minus A21, that is A21 number will be minus of this number. Now what is minus of this number? Minus 2 minus 3i. The same is here, minus 2i plus 2i. The same is here, minus 5 minus 5i. This is the number in second row, third column, and therefore this number should be minus of that element, that is 5 plus 5i, because this number is in the third row and second column. The next types of matrices we will see in the next lecture.